Hello everyone, this is Jo Cashmore of Hooray Hoop. Today we're gonna do another fun one. This one, the Cappuccino Girl. So let's go and see her. Stitch her and add the bun, 3D bun and hairs here. Okay, so this is the kit. Let's see what included inside. Contact me by email or direct message on Instagram or Facebook, or just comment it here. The pattern. So this is the 20 centimeters bamboo wooden hoop. You can see the hand draw pattern I drawn on there, and that coffee is the watercolor painted. And you get in the booklet the full instructions, the story, and step by step how to create this, and how to finish the frame as well. In the back, this is where the equipment is. You get your thread. So with this pattern, you have a choice of the color of the hair. You can have the blonde hair, the brows, or the black. Today we're gonna work on the black one. The peg, chorus was a peg for, you will see a bit later on in my video. And that's a true size of needle. Okay, that is not much, but let's go and start this. Alright, first thing I usually start with stretching the calico. I like to work when it's tight, so you can adjust the screw on the top here and just pull the side. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, your thread, it is easier to cut it ready. There are 8 meters in each one, so 1 meter each is a good length for me, so I have been cutting it ready to go, and then you just pull it out. You can start whenever you like. I like to start inside first and then go around and finish up with the hair. There are 6 strands in each thread. You just pull one out. So we work on the single thread. There you go. Pull one at a time, it won't tangle. And with your small needle, just thread it through. And we just knot at one end. I will start from here. Lovely. So now all inside stripe are done. We're still working on this single thread. So next is the nails. So make it a little fine. Okay, the nails are done. Next, do on the single stitch, which is around the glasses here. Lovely. So now all the single threads are done. We're gonna do the double thread now, just to add a bit of the dimension on the pictures. To do the double thread, you can have either one and knot at the end like that, or you can make it quicker. You thread through in at the same time like that, and then knot at the end. Oops, there. Like that. So up to you, you want to make it quicker or just a slow process, up to you. Okay, so we did double. You could just start again anywhere you like. I will just start from the corner here. Okay, so you can see that the line is thicker than the single one. Okay, now the fun bit. We're gonna add the hairs. So you get your big needle with the whole thread. So here, you can go all the way up here. Alright, so those are done. This is how the back look. Okay, so with this, we got a bit of the leftover thread here. We just pop it aside here. I'll come back and show you what we're gonna use with that one. Now the peg. We are going to create the bund. So with the bund, you just need the peg and 2 meters of the thread together like that, and then just kind of wrap around. You get that and take it out. There you go, you get the bun. It's just a perfect size for this. And then what you do, you just place it on there, secure with one hand, and your leftover thread with the needle before, just poke it back in the middle and lock it on there. Okay, so you see it's creating the bun now. Now what we're gonna do with the rest, we just make it tidy and just randomly stitch over and over until it's nice and secure. Okay, here you go. You got it, that 3D looking hair bun. And the whole thing.